We will be continuing chapter 2, that is reproduction in plants. We were dealing with sexual reproduction in plants. In our last class, we have already discussed about the parts of flower. So today, as I told you in your last class, for reproduction to take place in plants, two processes very essential. Number one is your pollination and number two is your fertilization. First, let us deal with what is pollination. What do you mean by pollination? Pollination means transfer of pollen grains. Where are these pollen grains present? Pollen grains are present in the anther region. So transfer of pollen grains to the stigma of the flower. Stigma is the female part and pollen grain is the male reproductive part. So transfer of the pollen grains to the stigma of the flower is known as pollination. Now pollination can be of two types, self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination usually takes place in bisexual flower. Bisexual flower means this flower has both reproductive parts, that is female reproductive part as well as male reproductive part. So in case of bisexual flower, the pollen grains of the same flower is transferred to the stigma of the same flower. That kind of pollination is referred to as self-pollination. Now in case of monosexual flower, what do you mean by monosexual flower? Flower having either male reproductive part or female reproductive part. That kind of flower is known as monosexual flower. Now in case of monosexual flower, pollen grain of one flower is transferred to the stigma of another flower of the same species. It has to be of the same species, but a flower of another plant, not within a same plant, within a different plant, but of a same species. For example, you cannot transfer the pollen grains of a rose into the stigma of a hibiscus and allow the fertilization to occur. That does not happen. It has to be within the same species. So when the pollen grain of one flower is transferred to the stigma of the another flower of same species but in a different plant, that is referred to as a cross pollination. It is referred to as a cross pollination. Okay. This usually happens naturally. Okay. Now agents of pollinations are insects, birds, water, wind. All these agents help in transfer of the pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the flower. So these are referred to as the agents of pollination. Okay. But sometimes ornamentalist, the one who grows a flower, if he wants a desired characteristic of flower in another plant, then what does it do? He carries out artificial pollination. Now artificial pollination can be carried out in two methods. One is emasculation. Emasculation means he simply removes of the anther from that particular flower so that self-pollination does not occur, and he introduces the desired characteristic or pollen grains from the another flower of which he wants the variety. Okay, so emasculation means removal of the anther, permanent removal of the anther from a bisexual flower. Okay, and another one is bagging. Bagging means what does it do? He covers the female reproductive portion so that anther doesn't go and fertilize within a same flower. So he does that in order to get a desired characteristic or a desired variety of a flower. But here the human has a role to play in order to carry out the pollination. That's why it is referred to as a artificial pollination. Okay. Now next step in reproduction, the second step is fertilization. Okay, for fertilization to occur, first pollination has to occur. Pollination means sticking of the pollen grains. Sticking of the pollen grains to the stigma of the flower is known as pollination. Okay. Now if you look at the macroscopic view of a pollen grain, then what will you see is inside the pollen grain you have two types of cell responsible for two functions, tube nucleus and germinative nucleus. Now your tube nucleus, what does it do? It forms a pollen tube. Okay, your tube nucleus forms a pollen tube. It's like a channel through which your germinative nucleus travels, because your germinative nucleus has to reach the ovary, the female part of a flower. Okay, so that road or that pathway is made by the pollen tube. Okay, now inside the pollen tube your germinative nucleus further divides into two cells. Okay, two nucleus, it further divides into two nucleus. Now one of the nucleus, what happens? It goes and fuses with the ovule, okay, thus forming a zygote, and another germinative nucleus goes and fuses with the polar nuclei and thus forming a endosperm. Endosperm is like a food storage, because seeds they cannot prepare their food, so until and unless the seedling is produced, the food is provided by your endosperm. So you can see here that two fertilization is taking place. One of the germinative nucleus went and fertilized with the egg, okay, and another went and fertilized with the polar nucleus. So two fertilization is taking place. That's why it is referred to as a double fertilization. Double fertilization usually takes place in your monocot seeds. Okay. So after the fertilization has taken place, that means after your germinative nucleus has fused with the egg and the polar nuclei, what happens is your ovule gets converted into seed and your ovary gets converted into fruit. Okay, you have to keep this in mind. Your ovule gets converted into seed and your ovary gets converted into fruit. And what happens to the other accessory parts of the flower? Non-essential parts of a flower like petals and sepals, they wither out. They either fall off, sometimes several even might remain attached to the fruit. Okay, generally they wither out. So these were the two essential steps that we have discussed today regarding your reproduction in plants. Fertilization is very, very important. Okay, for fertilization, what did I tell you what happens? Your pollen grains comes and sticks. Your pollen grains has two type of cell. One will be forming the pollen tube, and another is also referred to as germinative nucleus, which is going to fuse with the ovules in the ovary. Okay, and enabling fertilization to occur. So that's all about chapter 2.